Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Kadai. I had been receiving requests to share more oats based recipes. So today we are making another very healthy oats recipe, which is Oats Moong Dal Dosa. If you are diabetic or have high cholesterol problems, then you can certainly have this oats dosa for your breakfast, lunch or dinner. It's very easy to make. So let's quickly see how to make it. Before moving to the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get regular updates of a new recipe. Firstly, we'll take 2 bowls. Into one bowl, we'll add 2 cups of instant oats. One can even use roll oats if you wish. And in the other bowl, we'll add half cup of green moong dal. Now one needs to soak both these oats and green moong dal in enough water and soak it for overnight or at least 8 to 10 hours. After soaking, you will see that oats will look something like this. It will get thickened up, and this is soaked green dal. So what we'll do is we'll remove the extra water from the dal and do not discard this water. We'll use it at later stage. Into the soaked oats, we'll add our soaked dal, and here goes a piece of ginger and 2 green chilies. Now we'll transfer this complete material into a mixer grinder jar in order to prepare paste for our dosa batter. So without using rice also, we can prepare lovely, tasty, nutritious dosas. And into this, we'll add 1 tablespoon of water so that it is easier to grind it. After grinding, we'll transfer the batter in the same bowl. You can see the consistency of the batter is thick, so we'll add little more water to it to adjust the consistency. It should be just like the dosa batter we make. After adding water, you can see the consistency, it's just perfect. Now into this batter, we'll add few spices. We'll add salt as per taste. Here goes 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or zira, a pinch of asfoetida or hing. You can even add red chilli powder if you wish, but we have already added green chilies in the batter. And batter is ready to prepare dosas. We'll heat a dosa tawa and just grease it with little oil. Sprinkle little water. Add 1 ladder full of batter and little more. And spread it gently. There's a little oil on the sides. Sprinkle generous amount of chopped onions as well as coriander. This is completely optional. You can make plain dosas as well. We'll allow the dosa to cook for some time until it becomes crispy. Once the dosa gets crispy, it will automatically leave the tawa. So our dosa is ready. One can serve it with coconut chutney or tomato chutney. Just look at this. It's crispy enough. Very healthy dosa without using rice. We have used oats and dal to prepare this very healthy, delicious dosa. If you are diabetic or have high cholesterol, even then you can consume this dosa. It's very tasty, very yummy. Do give it a try. So friends, do try out this recipe. Let me know how does it turn out for you. If you liked watching our today's video, give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.